Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the version and protecting your system. Run dxdiag now and write down the DirectX version. This tells you if DirectX 12 is active. Make a full backup or system image, and then create a system restore point. Make sure you are using an administrator account. Once done, understand. DirectX 12 is baked into Windows 11. You cannot simply uninstall it like a program, so these safeguards prepare you for rollback or a clean OS reinstall if needed. Next, pursue the practical rollback options. First, run system restore to a point dated before DirectX 12 exposure. This is the safest rollback method. If no suitable restore exists, use settings right arrow system, right arrow recovery, right arrow reset this PC, and choose to keep files or remove everything. That restores core system components. For advanced control, a clean Windows 11 installation from Official Meteor removes integrated changes. Finally, verify the outcome and restore functionality. Boot into Windows, run dxdiag again to confirm whether you reverted from DirectX 12 or restored system behavior. Reinstall the latest GPU drivers from the vendor, and, where apps need older libraries, install the DirectX end-user runtimes, June 2010, for compatibility. If an application fails after your change, update drivers first. Then roll forward with Windows Update or use a restore point. If problems persist, a clean install is the reliable last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.